Hello viewers, we are student of Siddhant College of Pharmacy. Today we are presenting a topic. Title is Artificial Intelligence in Clinical Data Management. So today's aim is to investigate the potential of artificial intelligence to improve the accuracy in the clinical data management. So what is clinical data management? As we know, there are mainly 4 stages of clinical trials. To maintain all this document is very hard because it was only in the paper form, that is known as case report form. So as we include artificial intelligence, we can make electronic case report form. It will be easy to maintain the clean data and store it. Let's start object, including data extraction. Data extraction means if you need any patient with like heart diseases, so we have to only place the heart problems. All the list will be in front of you. Data integration. As we know, if one trial is running, there are mainly so many sites that it is very hard to manage all the documents. So if we use the ECRF, we can easily manage all the data and that data always be clean. So here we can see the graph from 2010 to 2025, the growing nature of the artificial intelligence.
So on the second part, we are explaining this chart where we created an AI in CDM. So how this gonna work? First step gonna, this will be collect data, all this clinical data. In second step, this will upload the data to the AI. In third steps, it can the AI do its works, and the last step, cleaning of data. Now in our some clinical here are the samples of the clinical data, and in which you can see there are various missing value, like in some there are age, BMI and other factor are missing. So what can do now this data we uploaded to the our AI. So now in the second step we uploaded our AI data to the AI. Now in third step, AI do the biostatics calculation for us using mathematical regressions like mean, mode, median. In this will replace all the missing value with the appropriate and correct data, which does not affect on the accuracy of data. So in the last step, we run the program, and in the ending result we get a file which in which all the missing value are replaced by appropriate numbers that does not minimize our data. So this is how this AI work. In simple term, missing value are replaced by an appropriate number by using AI. Thank you.